As you can see, we have a nest up there, and these were tiny chicklings, and they grow so big. And we have one right up there, one down here, one over there on our neighbor's tree. It's really cool. She's trying to learn to fly. So as you can see, we have one more up there that we cannot let that one fly because we cannot reach that one. If we reach it, they might poke our hand. So tomorrow and the day after, they might start flying or something. And the other ones are flying. One's in that tree. So there's one right here. We're not going to disturb that because they fly there whenever they want, so they start to fly. And I think we have one over here. Where is that? I think it's right up there, actually. And that's it, guys. So I'll keep everything. No, we'll not use this door because we don't know if that's gonna fly or sometime. So we're gonna use the garage. So see you then.